Good morning, grade 5. How are you doing? I hope you are doing good. Welcome to your online English lecture, and today we are going to do unit number 3, lesson number 3, the show. Show means to exhibit something. To it can be for the sake of public entertainment और फॉर द सेक ऑफ मनी. ठीक है, डिफरेंट एक्टिविटीज़ को कंडक्ट करना. आप उसमें डिफरेंट चीज़ों को रिप्रेजेंट करते हो, उनको डिस्प्ले करते हो टू द ऑडियंस. एंड बिफोर स्टार्टिंग द लेसन आई वुड लाइक टू टेल अबाउट अ टर्म दैट इज़ आउटलॉ. आउटलॉ मीन्स समथिंग दैट ब्रेक द लॉ. ठीक है, लॉज बनाए हुए थे ना हर किसी ने, हर चीज़ के लिए रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस और लॉज होते हैं. अगर उनको फॉलो नहीं किया जाएगा, ठीक है, तो वो क्या होता है? इट इज़ आउटलॉ. और यू कैन से दैट द पर्सन हु इज़ or who walks outlaws, he is a criminal. Is it clear? Exercise 1 is read the text and answer the questions. This is the first part of the reading. Read the text and answer the questions. And what are the questions? How did William and his friends plan to collect money? We will tell how they have planned or what they have planned to collect money, or were they successful? William and his best friend Henry, who was 12, were members of the Society of Outlaws. Like they were the members of a society who works beside the law, outside the law. A schoolboy gang. What is gang? Yes, ग्रुप को कहते हैं. ठीक है, किसको कहते हैं? ग्रुप को, जो साथ मिलके कुछ एक्टिविटीज़ करते हैं. The outlaws used to meet in old barn. Barn means a building that is used to, or a farm building that is used to house animals or store hay and grain. ऐसा रूम होता है जहाँ पे एनिमल्स को रखा जाता है, यू कैन से, और जो सूखी घास वगैरह है या वहाँ पर जितनी चीज़ें यूज़ होने के लिए हैं, या ग्रेन अगर स्टोर किया हुआ है उसको रखने के लिए होता है बार्न. The outlaws used to meet in the old barn on half holidays or Sundays afternoons and make plans. They used to meet on half holidays or the Sundays afternoon. And why they meet? They meet to make different plans. Let's buy some bows and arrows, suggested William. Now, what is bow and arrow? So bow is used like for shooting arrows. It's a weapon used for shooting arrows. इसको आप उर्दू में गुलेल भी कहते हैं, कमान भी कहते हैं, जिसे तीर को चलाया जाता है. And arrows are the thin long weapons shoot by a bow. जो तीर होता है वो होता है एरो. ठीक है, तीर. तो बो और एरो मिलकर ही काम करते हैं. Suggested William. One of them said that let's buy some bows and arrows. Then we can go out and shoot things like birds, chickens, like just like real outlaws. Shoot मतलब क्या होता है? To kill something, to kill someone with the help of bullet or an arrow. Just like the real outlaws, like the real criminals. Where are we going to get these bows and arrows? Asked Henry. He said, how we are going to get these? Or where? From where? We haven't got enough money to buy them. They are too expensive for us. Then we need to make then we need to collect some money. More money, said William, who usually had bright ideas. Wait, I know. We could do a show. Get some animals and charge our friends money for looking at them like a zoo. The others nodded, like they moved their head like in upward and in up and down direction. Well, then he continued, we'll have a show and get enough money to buy bows and arrows. We will arrange the show for next Sunday afternoon. William returned home for tea with his parents and Aunt Emily. Aunt Emily was a tall lady who had been recovering from a slight cold about for 2 years. She had been recovering. वो ठीक मतलब रिकवर कर रही थी अपने उस इलनेस को उस लाइट कोल्ड को. She spent her days eating and sleeping. She just eat or sleep for the whole day and night. She had not yet mentioned a date for her leaving because she is a guest. So she has not mentioned a date for her leaving, which made William's father anxious. Like उनको अच्छा नहीं लगता था एंड विलियम का इतना टाइम वहाँ पे स्टे करना. सो ही गॉट वरीड. इट विल बी अ लॉन्ग लॉन्ग टाइम बिफोर आई एम बेटर, said Aunt Emily as she took a seventh piece of bread and butter. Another piece of cake, please, William. Then I'll go upstairs and have a rest. Every Sunday afternoon, William's mother visited a friend and his father took a long afternoon nap. Nap कहते हैं जो हम sleep slightly, especially during the day. थोड़ा टाइम के लिए जो दोपहर में हम सोते हैं, that is a nap. When Sunday came, William quietly asked his mother whether he could have a few friends in his room for the afternoon. She agreed, like she was having no objection. The Outlaws has prepared all the exhibit for the show, and by 2:30 all was ready. For each exhibit, like for each display or show, William had written a card with all the facts upon it. उसे सारी डिटेल उसके बारे में डिफरेंट कार्ड्स बनाकर उस पर उसका सारा डेटा लिख दिया. For example, the first one, there was a large white rat painted in blue and pink stripes. Zebra देखा ना, उसमें भी तो black and white का contrast है, black stripes होती हैं उस पे. In the same way, he painted or a white rat as blue or pink stripes. There was a cat shut into the cat basket, which it was scratching angrily with its claws. वो अपने क्लॉज के साथ में क्या करी थी, उसको रब करी थी बास्केट को. There was a tall giant, one outlaw on the back of an other. Giant भी तो बड़े को ही कहते हैं, extremely large को. Their large combined body wrapped into a large sheet. There was a black fox fur. Fox fur means the skin of the fox that is usually used in making or trimming the garments, or it can be a piece which had belonged to William's grandmother. It was his grandmother's. It was laid on the floor as though it was asleep. Like it was laid होता है to put down something, ठीक है, कुछ नीचे रखना या लेटना की सेंस में. It was laid on the floor. ज़मीन पर फर्श पे ऐसे था though it was asleep कि जैसे कोई fox ही sleeping. There was a Henry's small pet dog. Henry had painted it blue. He had painted the rabbit as blue and pink and the dog as blue. William was the showman. Like he was the main person who is going to conduct. He had dressed in a red dressing gown. Gown होता है लूज कपड़ा जो हम पहनते हैं, ठीक है, gown of his father, and had made himself a small red mustache from the edges of an old rug. रग कहते हैं फ्लोर कवरिंग को, ठीक है। और उसके एजेस से उसने क्या किया, उसने जो है रेड कलर की मॉस्टिच बनाई, अपनी मूछें बनाई हैं। द चिल्ड्रन क्लाइम्ड ऑन टू द गार्डन वॉल, क्रॉल्ड अलॉन्ग इट। अब चिल्ड्रन को करना क्या था, दे हैव टू क्लाइम द गार्डन वॉल, आफ्टर दैट दे हैव टू crawl along that garden wall, climb through the window of William's bedroom. अब ये उनके जाने का तरीका है, how they are going to enter into the show, and paid their entrance fee. While entering through the window of William's bedroom, they have to pay the entrance fee. When they were all seated, William proudly presented the exhibits one by one. Like the things he was having, he represented those one by one. This is the only one blue and pink rat in the whole world wide. It lives in China and was brought over especially for the show. And this is a wild cat holding up the basket with the cat in it. He was holding the basket and introducing about the cat that it's a wild cat, which was hissing and spitting. Hissing means to produce sound, S का sound जो होता है, and spitting means to throw something to spit something from the mouth. Look at this wild cat, the fiercest cat in the whole country. Fiercest means strong or wild. After William had introduced all the exhibits, a large deep roar started coming from the next room. Roar means sound or loud noise. It was sounded like a mighty wind with some low deep thunder. And thunder means stormy weather. ठीक है? Aunt Emily was having her afternoon sleep and was snoring. Snoring क्या होता है? To breathe during sleep with a rough noise. चीज़ आपने करनी है बेटा, आपकी असाइनमेंट में द वर्ड इज स्नोरर, उसका मीनिंग हमने ये लिखा है टू ब्रीथ ड्यूरिंग स्लीप विद द रफ नॉइज। तो आप क्या करोगे, उस स्नोरर को आप स्नोर कर ले या फिर उसको स्नोरिंग लिख लीजिएगा, ठीक है। बिकॉज स्नोरर तो वो पर्सन हुआ हु इज़ मेकिंग और प्रोड्यूसिंग दैट साउंड। तो स्नोरिंग क्या होती है, टू प्रोड्यूस और टू ब्रीथ ड्यूरिंग स्लीप विद द रफ नॉइज, कोई ऐसी रफ नॉइज प्रोड्यूस करना वाइल स्लीपिंग। As the audience seemed very interested in Aunt Emily's snoring, William had another bright idea. If they are listening, they should be paying. But why just listen? Maybe they could pay extra in order to visit the snorer next room. He will allow them to visit the next room where the snorer is sleeping. William went quietly into Aunt Emily's bedroom. On the bedside table, he saw her comb and a hairpiece that she usually tied into her hair, and a glass containing her false teeth. False teeth means जो real या original नहीं होते. William came back and quickly wrote notes for these objects. वो हर चीज़ के लिए एक नोट बनाता था, लाइक उसका सारा क्वालिटीज़ या कुछ भी जो स्पेशलिटीज़ हैं उसको मेंशन करता था। एंड नाउ ही इज़ राइटिंग अबाउट द Aunt Emily's, द वर्ल्ड्स वुमेन्स हेयर पीस, द वाइल्ड वुमेन्स हेयर पीस, and the wild woman's teeth. He wrote another notice for the Aunt Emily too. The snorer immediately became the most popular exhibit of the afternoon. सबसे ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट उन्होंने फिर जो ऑडियंस थी या विजिटर्स थे, they showed their interest to visit the Aunt Emily. He was earning more by this. Children came out of the room and rejoined the back of the queue, paying extra money to revisit the snorer. Suddenly, in the middle of all this, Aunt Emily awake with a start. अब क्या होगा जब वो जाग गई? What do you think? And adapted from the show by Rickmal Crompton. This text is taken or derived from the show, from the writing of Rickmal Crumpton. Rickmal Crumpton is an English writer. What was question number 1? How did William and his friends plan to collect money? क्या प्लान किया उन्होंने? How they are going to collect money? तो हमने पढ़ लिया है. It's yes. How? By yes, having a show or conducting a show. They will charge their friends money. Very good. तो क्या होगा इसका? They plan to do a show and charge their friends money. And were they successful? क्या उन्होंने मतलब पैसे अर्न किए इससे, या जिस पर्पस के लिए किया था? Yes, a lot of money. Yes, a lot of children came to the show. Yes, and paid the entrance fee. Yes, and they also paid extra money to visit the snorer. Now come to exercise 2, that is correct the false statements with information from the text. William wanted to collect money so that they could go to the zoo. Are they going to? So they could go to the zoo. What was the purpose of collecting money? Because they want to have or to buy, yes, bows and arrows. So the first one is false. And what will be its correct answer? It will be, आप इसको अंडरलाइन करोगे बुक पे ही, ठीक है? गो टू द जू की जगह क्या आ जाएगा? टू बाय, बिकॉज दे कुड, सो डैट दे कुड बाय बोज एंड एरोज. इसको आप लिख लोगे बुक पे ही, बाय bows and arrows. The second one is Aunt Emily had been very ill 2 years ago. Very ill? Or she was having a slight cold? Yes, it is also false. Aunt Emily had a slight cold 2 years ago. ठीक है? Slight cold आ जाएगा. Been very ill की जगह क्या आएगा? Slight cold. Aunt Emily enjoyed eating and sleeping all the time. She just sleep or eat. So it's true. William's mother said that he could have a few friends in his room on Sundays afternoon. Yes, his mother was agreed when he requested her. So it's true. The children came for the show and knocked on the front door of William's house. No, they hadn't knocked the door. They just climbed the garden wall or crawled along the wall. William wrote the notices for Aunt Emily after the show had started. Yes, ये तो उसको बाद में आइडिया आया था ना, when she started snoring or when he had noticed the audience interest. फिर उसने सोचा let's make a plan to earn more. उसके बाद उसने फिर जाकर विजिट किया and he wrote the notices. Exercise 3 is complete the sentences with words or phrases from the text. This question is included in your assignment. A group of school boys who play together is called a group. को क्या कहते हैं? We have read and the word starts with G. अब आप खुद ही इसको fill up करोगे. You can shoot wild animals if you have a dash and dash. B से शुरू होता है एक वर्ड और एक A से. अब आपको देखना है वेपन कौन से हमने इसमें पढ़े हैं, ठीक है? When you make somebody pay for a camel ride, you dash that person some money. हम जब भी किसी को कुछ देते हैं या कुछ किसी को कोई सर्विसेज देते हैं या कोई काम करते हैं किसी के लिए, तो जो वो हमें पे किया जाता है, इट मीन्स डैट वी आर गोइंग टू, हम क्या करेंगे उनको. द वर्ड स्टार्ट्स विद सी. द अपोजिट ऑफ अ बैड कोल्ड इज अ डैश कोल्ड, जो आंट एमले को भी था, ठीक है? इफ़ यू पे टू गो इन टू अ म्यूजियम, सॉरी, a short sleep during the day is called the very simplest or the easiest one. If you pay to go into the museum, you pay and while entering somewhere. अब क्या पे करते हो वहाँ पे, उसको क्या कहा जाता है? If a cat is angry, it dash you on the hand. क्या करती है cat? वैसे भी रूटीन में what the cats do. A person who is dash makes a loud noise while asleep. जो साउंड हम सोते हुए प्रोड्यूस करते हैं, what it is called. people who don't have their own teeth put dash teeth in their mouth instead. जिनके real teeth नहीं होते वो जो teeth use करते हैं, you have to write the name of that. Exercise 4 is discuss these questions. These questions. How do you think the story will end? आपको क्या लगता है? क्योंकि जब when the children were or when the audience were in Aunt Emily's room, they were visiting her. She just awoke. Then what will happen next? आपको क्या लगता है? According to me, जो मुझे लगता है, there are 2 to 3 situations. The one she must be furious after reading the notices, or uh, she must left the home. एक ये हो सकता है. The second, it is possible that she was surprised to see all that and even she encouraged William. ये भी हो सकता है उसकी एक्टिंग से उसको इतना encourage किया that he can do anything. Or the third one, you can say she punished William, and William was sorry, and William returned, or he returned all the money to the visitors. इस तरह और भी different endings हो सकती हैं. ठीक है. And the next one is, if you did a show of your own, what exhibits would you show to your friends? ये भी हमारा assignment में include है. And you have to tell, जैसे विलियम ने अपने घर पे जो स्टफ़ था उसको भी यूज़ किया है. सम यूनिक स्टफ़ कह लो आप. ठीक है. यूनिक आर्टिकल्स. और प्लेन रैबिट को उसने ब्लू एंड पिंक बना दिया विद द स्ट्राइप्स, और इवन द डॉग. ठीक है. तो आपके पास जो स्टफ़ है या आपके फ्रेंड्स के पास में जो है, यू आर गोइंग टू यूज़, हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू कंडक्ट दैट शो, और हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू प्रेजेंट और एग्जिबिट योर आर्टिकल्स और द थिंग्स इन द शो. ठीक है. आपने अपने अकॉर्डिंग इसको लिखना है. दिस इज़ ऑल्सो इंक्लूडेड इन योर असाइनमेंट. सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. अल्लाह हाफिज़.